Boxologists say that these mystery boxes from Gigaparts are 100 years old and contain 1,000 mysteries, or 1,000 years old and contain 100 mysteries. That's just one of the mysteries. We're about to find out what mysteries are in store for us in this $50 Gigaparts mystery box. This is, I think, my second one I've got, maybe my third. This one is the radio mix, and it's limited edition, so that makes me feel pretty special. The mystery package. So let's use our knife that we also got at Gigaparts on one of Jason's streams for a good deal. Let's just open this up. This cuts through packing tape like butter. So is it going to be 1,000 mysteries or 100 mysteries? Well, look at that. The old Yesu hat. This will be a giveaway on the channel. All right. And we've got some AAA batteries, always usable. Let's see what this is. This is the mystery. Okay, I'm starting to think I got this box before. This is a Gigaparts cooling fan. Nice. Let's look at this one. This is the Intellitron antenna tape measure. This one, I saw this actually at Huntsville Ham Fest. So this has a lot of, that tells you right there, as you can see, it says 148 megahertz, quarter wavelength. So that's kind of cool. 148 megahertz, half wavelength. And this will be fun to use. All right, good. Intellitron tape measure for ham radio. This one, I think I have one of these already. So maybe this will be another giveaway on the channel. It feels heavier than mine, so it must have a base. Okay, this one actually has a base. And this is a standard straight key. Yeah, it added a base to it. Okay, because I just have this. So a nice little base with rubber stops. Nice. Since I have one, it doesn't have the base, but maybe I'll do this as a giveaway as well. See what we got here. Okay, this is very useful. The Intellitron. This is the Intellitron 30 amp 1 to 3 DC power pole hub with fuses. These things are always useful. And we get a Gigaparts Explorer sticker and 2 Gigaparts stickers and a Gigaparts bag. So, bag, stickers, nice power distribution here. CW key, weighted CW key, batteries, the fan that spells something on here. I can't remember what it spells, but it spins and it spells something. Go ahead and do it. Cool, Yesu deals. All right. www.gigaparts.com. So this is nice. Keep that in your POTA bag. Get a little hot. Turn that bad boy on. This is sweet. The Intellitron antenna tape measure. I had never looked at one. So this is interesting. Let's see. 10-meter loop right there. 50 megahertz, quarter wave. All right. Whoa. And the Yesu hat. And that is it. So I forget the sale. I think they were 50 or 40. Maybe they were just 50. I can't remember. But check those out at Gigaparts. And they've got ham radio. I think they've got like a tech one. And then they've got like an outdoors adventure one. So pick the style you want. And then they've got one that's a mix, I believe. Not bad. Fun deal. Couple giveaways for the channel. And then I'll be keeping these two things right here for sure. But that's it. It's kind of fun to open these, so check them out at gigaparts.com. Okay, so what I want to do now is let's take each product and let's go to the gigaparts.com site and let's see the value of these products and what kind of value we're getting. So first, let's go to the tape measure. This is the Intellitron ham radio tape measure. That one is $19.95. So that's almost half of the $50 box right there. Next, let's look at the Morse code, weighted Morse code device. Let's go to I've already got them pulled up to try to expedite the video. So weighted rubber stands, pre-wired, $49.99. That's the price of the entire box right there. Next, let's go to the personalized black Yaesu cap. Now, this isn't personalized, I don't think. No. But the Yaesu cap, $10, probably standard for a cap. There's stickers, the bag. We're not going to count those. Those are probably free anyway. And Yaesu hats in general are free. But personalized, $10. So we don't even have to count that one. We're already at $70. Next, we'll go to that little fan that has the lettering on it as it spins, the lit up letters. That's $10. So we're at $80 now, I think. And what else? The batteries. Okay, so I couldn't find these specific ones on their site for some reason. The AAAs of this brand is sell, I guess. But let's just say $749. I'm guessing these are, maybe they're knockoff or maybe they're better batteries. I don't know, but let's just say $8, so almost $90 now. And then I think the last thing is this right here, the power distribution thing. That's $10 over what I spent on the mystery box. So the mystery boxes are definitely well worth it and kind of a fun surprise when you open up and see what you get. Granted, you might not use some of it, but I can definitely use the tape measure, the straight key, the distribution box, and the batteries. I think the rest I could get rid of, but so definitely well worth it, fun. And if you go to the Gigaparts mystery boxes, they have a variety of prices. This is the one I got. The $50 mystery package, 100, 250. You have 25, and you choose these are just, I think, literally mystery packages. And this one you choose it. So here's the options. You can get random, and they'll give you from these categories: ham radio, everyday carry, outdoors, and techie. I can't select techie for some reason. So this one was a ham one, and you select that and then order it. And that's how it goes with each one. Let's look at the $250 one, see if you can choose. It's out of stock, but it includes, it doesn't say. I'm wondering if it includes a variety. So check those out at gigaparts.com. You can see that just with this one power distribution box, it's well over the price what I spent, or just the straight key, weighted straight key from Intellitron is the price I spent. So you're going to get more than you paid as far as retail value on their website. So check it out. It's a fun thing. If anything, get it as a gift for somebody. Might be exciting. So thanks again for watching 73 and stay prepared.